The legal camp of former beauty queen Maggie Wilson has warned that they will file a complaint against people related to her and her family's traumatic experience that took place right in their residence. In her Instagram post on Friday, July 15, 2022, Maggie sought help from the local government after the staff of her estranged husband Victor Consunji entered her residence despite no notice, no warrant, and no proper paperwork. In her post, Maggie shared videos taken by her sister. The video shows officials of Victor Consunji Development Corporation (VCDC) and DMCI, companies both owned by real estate mogul Victor, entering his home with barangay staff. They allegedly served a notice to padlock the house. They also allegedly cut off the electricity to her house. On Saturday, July 16, 2022, Maggie shared on her Instagram the statement of law firm Divina Law, in relation to the harassment and persecution she experienced from her estranged husband's camp. They also condemned the blatant display of power and influence, allegedly used to enter the actress beauty queen's residence. Signatories include Divina Law Managing Partner Attorney Nilo Divina, Attorney Estrella E. Lamparo, Attorney Miko Angela Aksalan Pocio, Attorney Lorenzo Luigi Gaya, Attorney Joseph Lawrence Asuncion, Attorney Shaina Marie Santos, and Attorney Angelica May Destajo. Here is the full statement. Yesterday, representatives of Victor Consunji Development Corp. VCDC, along with baton-carrying barangay officials, illegally and forcibly entered the house of our client Margaret Maggie N. Wilson, in Acacia Estate, Taguig City, purportedly to padlock the same. Without any notice to and permission of Ms. Wilson, the group, in full view of the public, proceeded inside the house to take videos of Ms. Wilson's personal belongings, announcing that they were doing so on behalf of Victor Consunji Development Corp. VCDC. When Ms. Wilson's sister insisted that our client had a subsisting contract of lease, the group just cut off the electricity and left, leaving our client's sister, 5-year-old cousin, and household staff to suffer in darkness. This harrowing incident has caused severe trauma and humiliation to the occupants of the house, as well as Ms. Wilson. Their security and privacy were invidiously violated, leaving them to fear for their lives and safety. It is public knowledge that Ms. Wilson is estranged from her spouse, Mr. Victor Consunji, the Chief Executive Officer of VCDC. Such estrangement, however, does not and cannot justify the malevolent act of harassment and persecution against his wife and her family. Whatever personal issues Mr. Consunji has against his spouse is not a license to trample upon her honor and dignity and inflict fear upon her and her family. This blatant display of power and influence deserves the strongest condemnation. No one is above the law. We will not let pass this flagrant violation of the home and privacy of our client, and we will hold liable to the fullest extent of the law all those involved in this dastardly act. In September 2021, a joint statement was released by Maggie and Vic in which they shared their decision to separate after nearly 11 years of marriage. The statement also stated that they will be partners in the care and upbringing of their son Connor even if they are separated. But the wind seems to have changed a few months after the two released this joint statement. On December 26, 2021, Maggie shared her frustration on Instagram when Victor refused to let her see the child at Christmas despite how well they talked about it. On March 2, 2022, Maggie was also disappointed with Victor's alleged ban on giving her access to photos at their son's birthday party. In addition, she is said to be experiencing other hassles regarding her co-parenting setup with Victor. In the latest update, Victor has filed adultery charges against Maggie and her rumored boyfriend Tim Connor.